Here's our nightly adventure, shoveling the roof. I don't know how much of it you can see, but this is it. Oh yeah. Snows so much, snows me out of the mountains. Well, I'll get my exercise anyway, one way or the other, right?
How's that, B?
That's right. There's Mama Taz and Abby down there.
Hey, Abby.
There's Bailey helping me on the roof with her trusty shovel that's cracked and electrical tape together. Oh yeah, it's wintry here, and it warmed up some. So here we go. Smoke from the chimney of the saw shack. Here's a view of the top of the saw shack, if anybody's ever wondered what it looked like. Love y'all. Be kind. It's winter. Shovel on, Tasmaniacs.